While Minfos already contains commonly used SIGs, you can also add your own custom SIGs to this list to save time in the dispensary. This video will demonstrate how to add your own SIGs as well as how to edit and delete them if required. You can create a SIG from Dispense Pro or from the Dispense form. From the Dispense form, click Extended and select SIGs Directions Maintenance. From Dispense Pro, navigate to the Maintenance menu and select Directions SIGs. In the SIGs Maintenance window, click Add. In the code field, enter the code for the SIG. Do not use any asterisk symbols in the code. In the name field, enter the directions you want to display for the SIG code. To override any usage prefix linked to the form type, such as take for tablets, use an asterisk at the beginning of the SIG name. To set up a SIG that calculates a future date, for example, repeat due after 20 days, use %D followed by the period in days. Click OK to add the SIG. If the code you have entered already exists, a prompt will be displayed. Click OK, then Cancel, sort by code, and find the existing code. To edit or update an existing SIG, select the SIG, click Change, make any changes required, and then click OK to save. Alternatively, you can create the new SIG using a different code. To remove a SIG, select the SIG and then click Delete. Click OK and Yes to confirm the deletion. Click Cancel to close the SIGs maintenance window. You can also attach a default SIG to a product in Minfos to save time when dispensing. Please refer to the Minfos Help Centre to learn more.